Today I am going to introduce you development of human embryo. Implantation. The attachment of the fertilized egg or blastocyst to the wall of the uterus at the start of pregnancy is known as implantation. Look here. Here you can see that ovulation. Then oocytes is released into the fallopian tube. Here you can see that finger-like structure. It is known as fimbriae, and this is known as oocyte. Here, this female gamete and male gamete come together, join together. This process is known as fertilization. This fertilization occurring in the anterior part of the fallopian tube or oviduct. Then afterwards, slowly it moves. Now that single cell structure become double celled, two cell structure. Then again its growth, now it become 4 celled. Then now it become 8 celled. Then and finally it reached into a condition, a number of cells there. That condition is known as blastocyst. Now this blastocyst attaching here on the wall of this uterus. This process is called implantation. Now we can say that this woman is conceived. Now here we can see that the growth, the development of human embryo. Here we can see the fertilized egg. Now it is single celled. Now it become 2 celled, 4 celled, 8 celled, 16 celled. Now a number of cells are there. This condition is called by name blastocyst. Now this is 1 month age, 4 weeks, 1 month age. Now it is more than 2 months, 2.5 months, 10 weeks fetus. From that 2 months, that means nearly 10 weeks, they are called by the name fetus. This is the fetus of 16 weeks, that means 4 months stage. Now the fetus of 20 weeks, nearly 5 months. So you maybe heard about the term pregnancy. Pregnancy occurs when a sperm fertilizes an egg after it is released from the ovary during ovulation. The fertilized egg then travels down into the uterus where implantation occurs. A successful implantation results in pregnancy. That means after implantation, that woman, they are called by name pregnant woman. One who is pregnant, they are called a pregnant woman. That condition is called by a name pregnancy. Placenta. Placenta is the life supporting system of a fetus. Placenta found inside the uterus. It's a structure develops in uterus during pregnancy. The structure provides oxygen and nutrients to growing baby and removes waste product from baby's blood. Placenta attached to the wall of uterus and baby's umbilical cord arises from it. So that means that baby's tummy button to that mother's uterus, that there is a connective link is there towards that placenta. That connective link is called by a name umbilical cord. Now look here, we can see a fetus in a mother's womb. See this fetus, and they are protected by a fluid. Inside here is a fluid, it is known as amniotic fluid. This cavity is called by name amniotic cavity. This is known as amnio. And this, the thick part, this is called by name chorion. This is the cavity of uterus. Again, I told you already, inside the uterus that placenta is present. That placenta, their amniotic fluid is there. That is why it is protecting this baby. And this, from tummy button to this placenta, there is a cord is there. This cord is called by name umbilical cord. And here fiber-like structures we can see, it is called by name allantois. Here we can see yolk sac. Here chorionic villi, placenta. So enough blood supply and that thickening of uterus, this uterus wall become thickened in this time. So that means to protect this baby. That means more blood supply is necessary. That baby need oxygen and nutrients. This all are supplying through this placenta. So that is why this placenta is called by a name that life supporting system of a fetus. Then many asking that what is a fetus? Fetus means an unborn or unhatched offspring of a mammal, in particularly an unborn human more than 8 weeks after conception. That means more than 2 months time. Then that this baby is called by a name fetus. What is gestation period? Gestation is the period of development during the carrying of an embryo or fetus inside viviparous animals. That inside the mother's womb, any kind of mammals. That time period is known as for that growth occurring. That fetus life occurring in that time period, it is known as gestation period. Now let us study what is parturition. The action of giving birth to young or childbirth is called by a name parturition. Mainly there are 3 stages. Here we can see this placenta, pubic symphysis, urethra, urinary bladder, vagina, rectum, cervix. Now this full growth occurred. That means 280 to 290 days are the full maturation occurring. That is the gestation period of human being. Now come to the second stage. Second figure, this is the first stage of birth. Now this its head reached here. Now amniotic sac ruptured, amniotic fluids comes out. Then baby's head reached here. Now come to that third figure. This is the second stage of birth. Now this baby emerges. Head comes down. Then afterwards, this placenta also comes out from that mother's body. Placenta we can see here, uterus, umbilical cord. Then after this child's birth, detaches this umbilical cord and separates mother and baby. This is the third stage of birth. This is known as expelling after birth. That means placenta comes out after the birth of the baby. So what is parturition? Parturition means the action of giving birth to young. This is the childbirth is called by a term parturition.